All right, so we've looked at how to solve rational equations when the equations are given to us. Now we're going to look at how to solve them in context or when given a word problem. Okay, so again, solving a rational function made up of word problems is still your same concept as solving a regular algebraic expression. What you want to do is find the x value where your graphs intersect. What makes it hard is actually slowing down and figuring what you want to solve for or what x is going to be representing, and finding all the important information. So in this example, we have two people that are playing tennis, and it says that Ann has won 12 out of 20 matches. 12 out of 20 is already a key piece of information because 12 out of 20 is a fraction, and I know that rational functions are nothing more than fractions, right? So I'm going to do A and D, and then I'll let y'all do B and C. How many matches will Ann have to win in a row to improve her winning percentage to 75%? Again, a percentage is nothing more than a fraction as well. And since we're talking about rationals, I'm going to change percentage to a fraction. To do that, you just put your percent all over 100. So far, she's won 12 out of 20. How many matches will she have to win in a row to improve her percentage to 75? So 12 out of 20 plus what gets me to 75 out of 100? All right. The way I approach this problem is, you can say by like guess and check. So let's just use the number 5 for example. Say if she plays 5 more matches and she wins all 5 of them, she will have played a total of 17, or she will have won a total now of 17 matches and have played a total out of 25. And then I want to see how close 17 out of 25 is to 75%. So 17 out of 25 gives me 68%. So that's not enough. Okay. So then, knowing that, let's say if I do 20. All right, so assuming she has to play 20 more matches, that will have pushed her total match played to 40 and her matches won to 32. So my fraction now is going to be 32 out of 40. Multiply this times 100. And this is 80. So this is too much. And 5 was too little. So I know my answer is going to be between 5 matches and 20 matches. All right. So the next one, I'll just guess at 10. If she plays 10 more matches, she will have won 22, and she will have played a total of 30. Multiply this times 100. And that's also not enough, but it's closer. So I'm now because I know 10 isn't enough, I know my answer is going to be between 10 and 20. Well, the next number I'm going to use will be 15. Assuming she wins 15 matches in a row, she will have won 27. We add 15 to the denominator, which would be 35. Multiply this times 100. And this is 77, so that's too much. So now I know my answer is between 10 and 15. If I split that in half and use 12 and 13, I'm going to use 13. She will have won 25 matches, and she will have played a total of 33. Multiply this times 100. Here I get 75.75, so 13 is also too much. I'm going to try 12, will be 24 out of 32. Multiply this times 100. And I get 75. So that's what I want. All right. I wanted I wanted a number of wins in a row to get her to 75%. So she would have to win 12 more matches.